example, this was my first ever breakup song. It's called Lottery. I was 19 and you were 23, and we stayed in number 4 Ferdinand Street. We spent 5 talking about our lives, but we'd told like that about 1,000 times, and I'm bored of all that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're betting on me. I tell you about a guy that I've been with, you ask how old is he, and I have 26 now, but he's 30. How messed up is that? Oh, forget it, he says I'm a jealous man and I don't want to talk about that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, that you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you've got your numbers and you play it anyway. You're still betting on me. Hold on, my dear, hold on real tight. It's just a numbers game in my mind, and we've been here 1,000 times, 1,000 times, 1,000. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you've got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you've got your numbers and you play it anyway. You're still betting on me. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you've got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you've got your numbers and you're betting on me. You're still betting.